There's one small ingredient sitting in many kitchens right now that people often overlook. It's simple, affordable, and most of us use it without thinking much about it. But surprisingly, some people are using this one ingredient to solve a very common everyday problem. And once you hear how it works, you might start looking at your kitchen a little differently. A lot of health and home problems feel complicated at first. People think they need expensive products, special tools, or long routines to fix them. But sometimes the simplest solutions are already in your kitchen cabinets. In this video, we're talking about one common kitchen ingredient that people are using in smart ways to make daily life easier. It can help with small health habits, food choices, and even a few home routines. By the end of this video, you'll understand why so many people keep this ingredient within reach. Let's start with a problem many people deal with every day: trying to make healthy food taste better without adding a lot of sugar or extra sauces. This is where this simple kitchen ingredient comes in. Many people use it to boost flavor naturally while keeping meals lighter and more balanced. For example, when someone is trying to eat better breakfasts, plain foods like oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies can sometimes feel boring, but adding a small pinch of this ingredient can instantly change the flavor. Suddenly, a basic breakfast feels more satisfying and enjoyable. Another common problem is snack cravings, especially in the afternoon or late evening. Many people reach for cookies, candy, or packaged snacks because they want something flavorful and comforting. But adding this ingredient to foods like fruit, nuts, or toast can make healthier snacks feel more appealing. It's a small trick, but it works because flavor plays a big role in our food choices. When food tastes better, we're more likely to stick with healthier options. Over time, that simple change can improve daily eating habits. This ingredient is also useful when people are trying to reduce added sugar in drinks. Many coffee and tea lovers add syrups or sweeteners without realizing how quickly it adds up. A small sprinkle of this ingredient can add warmth and flavor without needing extra sugar. Some people even add it to their coffee grounds before brewing. Others stir it directly into their cup. Either way, it creates a subtle taste that many people really enjoy. There's another problem people often talk about: food feeling repetitive. When meals start to taste the same every day, it becomes harder to stay consistent with healthy eating. This is where simple flavor changes can make a big difference. This ingredient works well in both sweet and savory meals. Some people add it to roasted vegetables, soups, or grain bowls. Others mix it into healthy snack recipes or homemade spice blends. It's also helpful for people who like meal prepping. Preparing meals in advance is a great habit, but sometimes prepped food can feel a little plain. Adding this ingredient ahead of time helps the flavors develop and makes meals more enjoyable later. Another interesting use is how some people include it in calming evening routines. For example, adding a small pinch into warm drinks like herbal tea or warm milk can create a cozy moment at the end of the day. Small routines like this often help people relax and slow down after busy schedules. And when daily habits feel easier and more enjoyable, people are more likely to stick with them. That's one of the reasons simple ingredients can play a bigger role than we expect. So here's the big reveal. The kitchen ingredient we're talking about is cinnamon. It may seem basic, but it's one of the easiest ways to improve flavor, support better eating habits, and make simple meals feel more exciting. What surprises many people is how versatile cinnamon really is. It can work in breakfast, snacks, drinks, meal prep, and even some savory dishes. Instead of being just a baking spice, it becomes a small tool that helps solve everyday food challenges. The real power of cinnamon isn't just the flavor, it's how it helps people make healthier choices without feeling like they're forcing themselves into strict routines. When food tastes good, healthy habits become much easier to maintain. So the next time you're in your kitchen, take a look at that jar of cinnamon. You can sprinkle it on breakfast, mix it into snacks, add it to coffee or tea, or try it in simple recipes during the week. Small changes like this can make a big difference over time. Healthy living doesn't always require big, complicated changes. Sometimes it starts with simple upgrades that make daily habits easier and more enjoyable. And cinnamon is one of those small ingredients that can quietly improve your routine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for more easy health and kitchen tips that actually work in real life. I share simple ideas that help you improve daily habits without making life complicated. And I'd love to hear from you. Do you already use cinnamon in your daily meals or drinks, or is this something you're planning to try? Let me know in the comments.